Welcome back to my channel, Legit Story Updates. So guys, do you know you can be playing game then at the same time make cool money for yourself? That sounds great, right? Well, if you are watching this video, stay with me till the end of this video as I'm going to show you the name of this platform, how it works, how to make this money for yourself. So make sure you stay with me till the end of this video as I'm going to show you how to register on this platform, how to play the game, and how to withdraw the money into your local account. So let's dive in. Meanwhile, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Tari. Here I teach people how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a banger like this, you will be notified. So guys, let's dive in today's video. Alright, so this is the platform ninewingame.com, and you can see this is the interface. This is how it looks like. You can see here on this platform, it's a gaming platform where you can play simple games then make cool cash for yourself. You can see here in the platform we have words, we have numbers, we have other things, we have bubble, aviator, dragon, tiger, and the rest of the games listed here. But me, I just love playing this particular one called mine. So I don't know the one that works for you. Anyone that works for you, you go for it. So you can see other games here, playing cool stairs. So I love playing mine. Yes, that is what works for me. So you need to choose or know what works for you. But before I show you how these games works, let me take you through the process on how to register on this platform. So first thing to do, if you are following the link in my description, this is what you will see. This is how it looks like. So go ahead and click on this mine. Once you click on the mine, you will see account login. So since you are a new member to the platform, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on register at the bottom, and this is where you will see account register to send 100 naira. What they are trying to say right now is that once you register, they will first of all give you 100 naira, which you are going to use to start mining even without putting your own funds. So with this 100 naira, you can make cool cash for yourself. So all you need to do is to go ahead and put your phone number, put your password, and confirm the password. And once you do so, click on this place they wrote send. Once you click on send, and OTP will be sent to your SMS box. So go ahead and copy the number and paste it here, then click on complete, and boom, your account will be ready. So since I already have accounts on this platform, I will just go ahead and log in so I can show you everything I got for this video. So I log in. Alright, so guys, once you log in, this is what you will see. First top up offer. I will come to this later, so let's skip this first. Now, like I said, the game I love playing most is mine. So I will go ahead and click on mine. So you can see this is how the interface look, the mine game. So right here, what you need to do here is to go ahead and open any of these box. Don't forget, in this box they have what we call bomb. So if you click on any of this box that contains bomb, that simply means you have failed. So right, I'm going to do this right now. You can see at the bottom they are asking you to use 100 naira, 500, 1k. So right here, let's start with 100 naira and see what we can do. And you go ahead and click on the 100 naira and click on the start button at the bottom. Let's see how it goes. So you guys, you can see I am opening the box. I see one. You can see so far I have earned 330 naira. So that is it. The more you continue opening this box, the more you earn money for yourself, right? You can see just in few seconds I have been able to accumulate 330 naira. I just want to stop this here because I don't want to further it. So while playing this game, make sure you are extremely careful so that you don't open any of the box that contains bomb. Now this money right here, what you are going to do is to send this money right here to your wallet. So I will go ahead and click on it, and automatically the money has been sent to my account. Now you can see at the top here, the money has been added to my wallet. You can see that, right? Before now it was 100 naira. You can see that, right? So imagine playing this game for over 1 hour. Just imagine how much you'll be earning. Another thing, while you play this game to earn more money, you can also download the app. You can see at the top there, install app. So if you install this app, they are going to give you 300 naira, which you are going to use to play this game and earn more money for yourself. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on download app. I have already downloaded mine, so you go ahead and click on the download app, and automatically you'll be given 100 naira, which you are going to use to play this game. And guys, another thing to do here, just in case you want to continue playing game on this platform, you want to add more money, you want to top up your account, just in case you want to play with higher amount like 500, 1000 or even above, don't forget, the higher the amount you stake, the more money you are gonna earn. You cannot stake 100 naira and expect to earn what the person staking 1000 naira is earning. That is not possible. So what we are going to do right here is that I'm going to fund this my wallet live, so that I just want to clear you. So to fund your wallet, go ahead and click on this wallet button at the bottom here, and you'll be navigated to here. You can see these are the prices here. The list is 1000 naira. So I want to fund my wallet right now with 1000. I will go ahead and click on it, and you will see this. So go ahead and click on payments right here. Now you can see the payment menu here. This is the account number, this is the account name. So what I am going to do now is to go ahead and make payment to this number right here. So I will do a live payment here. Now I will head over to my OPay. This is my OPay, so I will go ahead and do the transaction. I just want to do a live transaction. So as 367 106 3248. So guys, you can see I have successfully transferred 1000 naira to the account. Now let's go back to home screen to check if this money have been added. Alright, so you can see 1000 naira has been added to my wallet. What I had here was 311 naira. You can see 1000 naira have been credited to the wallet. Now another thing to show you is how to withdraw your money, the money you make from this platform, to your local account. So now I am going to do a live withdrawal here. Now to withdraw your money, go ahead and click on mine at the bottom. Right here you can see the withdraw button, so I will go ahead and click on withdrawal. I will just put, let me withdraw 1200. Now go ahead and add your bank. Select the bank you are using. You can see select bank, so I will go ahead and select. So I will just type here OPay. You can see right here I want to download, so I want to transfer this money to my OPay account. So I will go ahead and click on OPay. All you need to do, the next thing to do is to So guys, you can see I have successfully withdrawn the sum of 1000 into my bank account. So that is it. So guys, to register on 9wingame.com, check the link in the description. Register on this platform. This platform is going to fetch you huge amount of money as long as you don't stop playing the game. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, and see you in my next video.